Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Porsche Cayenne tire pressure. First, ensure your tires are cold for the most accurate readings. Then, inflate all 4 tires to the manufacturer's recommended pressures, which you can usually find on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Once that's done, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine just yet. This prepares the system for the reset process. Next, use the multi-function steering wheel controls to navigate the dashboard display. Scroll through the vehicle menu until you find the tire pressure or TPM option. Select this menu, and then look for an option like Store Tire Pressure, Reset, or RDK Initialization. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Cayenne's model. Once you've selected the reset option, the system may ask you to confirm. After confirming, you'll need to drive your Porsche Cayenne. The system requires the vehicle to be driven at a speed over 15 miles per hour, or about 25 kilometers per hour, for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. During this drive, the system will automatically learn and calibrate the new tire pressures. If the warning light doesn't disappear after resetting and driving, recheck your tire pressures for any slow leaks or potential sensor issues. Sometimes, simply switching between tire settings, like from comfort to full load and back, can also resolve a false alarm. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions tailored to your Cayenne model. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.